but this is not my first tournament.
Yeah, this is my second.
This is my third. This is my third.
So
I went to different times you go to tournaments.
wow. So this is your third tournament?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Your second tournament.
I draw some I tie, some I
And how old are you?
I'm 4.
4. Wow. So wow. You're very young, yeah?
I'm a 6-year-old.
Yeah. Well, no problem. You know, you're 6. So good. So I don't know. Yeah, but I mean, these things happen, right? Age is here. You know, and you have to think in chess. But when did you start, Jill, to play chess?
I started when I was like 3 years old.
3 years old. Wow. You were like so small.
I started when she was like 3 years old. Maybe when she was 2. I think I started when I was 4. She started when she was 3.
So your sister is a good player too? And you, when you started, Alexa?
She's good for her age.
When did you start to
I started
play chess?
3.
Oh, so last year. Amazing. Good. Congratulations both. I mean, congratulations.